Hi, and welcome to Cool Gadgets and Stuff. Considerable thought and planning go into building a new home, and choosing a construction system is one of the key decisions you'll have to make. Building technologies continuously improve, and in today's video we'll explore some innovative building systems that offer an alternative to conventional construction. This is our second video on building systems, so be sure to check out part 1 as well. Belgian company Gablock has developed a unique construction method using insulated wooden stacking blocks. Their objective is to simplify construction and offer a simple and efficient way to build a house by yourself. Their wooden home kit includes insulated blocks, a customized floor system, as well as insulated beams and lintels that will allow you to build the shell of your wooden house. The frame of the blocks is comprised of compressed wood slats mixed with natural resin, while inside the block expanded polystyrene with graphite additive is used for insulation. The jointing system has been integrated into the design of the blocks, so they will fit together without the need for any adhesive. After drawing up plans for the project, elements are prefabricated and delivered to the job site with an installation plan showing all the steps needed to ensure the success of the build. The company also provides all the technical assistance you might need during the process. Assembling the system is fast, and because everything is pre-planned, it allows for a precise timeline and minimal waste on the building site. The concrete slab is built as for a traditional house. The walls are fixed to the floors with angle plates. After assembling the insulated formworks, all you have left is the construction of the roof and finish of your choice. Gablock's system meets the requirements of 2-story buildings. Structural insulated panels, or SIPs for short, are a high-performance building system suitable for all types of construction. Sometimes referred to as sandwich panels, they contain an insulation foam core, bonded between what is typically two oriented strand boards. SIPs are manufactured under factory-controlled conditions and are custom designed for each project. The result is a building system that is strong, energy efficient, and cost-effective. Using SIPs, framing time can be cut by 50% compared to conventional wood framing. Panels are manufactured in various sizes, so the entire wall and roof section can be put up quickly. They are ready to be installed at the job site, eliminating the time needed to perform the individual jobs of framing, insulating, and sheathing. Electrical chases are usually provided in the core of panels, so there is no need to drill through studs for wiring. The uniform nailing surface on the interior and exterior walls makes siding, trim, and drywall installation quick and easy. With SIPs, loads are distributed across the entire panel due to the continuous bond between the sheathing and rigid insulation, making them extraordinarily strong. They are also compatible with almost any other building system. Wall panels can sit on a variety of foundation materials, including poured concrete, blocks, or insulated concrete forms. A new home built with structural insulated panels offers the benefits of a stronger structure, increased energy efficiency, faster installation, and a more cost-effective project. Lightweight steel framing is a home building technique with a skeleton frame of vertical steel columns and horizontal I-beams, constructed in a rectangular grid to support the floors, roof, and walls of a building. Steel framing offers some advantages in comparison to other building methods. It's thin and light, but at the same time high strength. Steel frames can be carried easily and erected quickly without the need for cranes, thereby lowering building costs. All parts of the steel frame are pre-designed, manufactured, and cut in the factory. The builder assembles them according to the project design. Steel framing requires no additional preservative chemicals, and since it's pre-manufactured, there's minimal wastage, reducing the environmental impact. Steel is also completely recyclable. Most steel framing fabricators will both supply and erect your homes. Frames are pre-assembled to be strong and straight, and come with service holes pre-punched to make it easy for subtrades to work with. Usually, no welding is required. The steel frame inside a building is grounded directly to the earth. This allows the entire frame of the house to act as a lightning rod, harmlessly discharging current of a lightning strike into the ground, or discharging currents from possible electrical leakage. In addition, steel framing is not combustible and won't warp, twist, or rot because it doesn't absorb moisture. This means fewer maintenance problems like cracked linings and sticking doors. Good weather tightness at the design and build stage will ensure that steel doesn't rust. One potential drawback of this system is that steel is a very efficient conductor of heat and can reduce the insulating properties of wall insulation. Heat takes the most conductive path in a phenomenon also known as thermal bridging. To combat this potential energy loss, you can use extra insulation and wrap insulation around the steel beams themselves, in addition to the insulation typically placed between studs. Steel is durable, earthquake and fire resistant, and also impervious to termites and mold. Of course, these attributes refer to the steel itself, not necessarily any materials attached to it. The M2 building system consists of modular, expanded polystyrene panels enclosed by a double galvanized steel mesh joined by connectors. Panels are industrially produced and then assembled and completed directly on site with 2 layers of concrete. These self-supporting panels can be made in various shapes and cover the entire range of elements necessary to finalize any type of project. The modularity of the system affords design flexibility and a high degree of integration with other building systems. Lightweight panels are easy to handle and assemble and can be used to build a wide range of structures well suited for earthquake-prone areas and climate extremes. The thickness and density of the panels can be customized to deliver specific thermal insulation requirements. Buildings made with M2 panels are particularly lightweight, therefore have a low seismic mass, but are simultaneously rigid due to 2 sheets of reinforced plaster that create an enveloping shell of the entire structure. Installation of various systems, plumbing, heating, electric, is a simple operation. To ensure static continuity of the structure, the panels are tied to each other and connected to the rebars. All structural connections, such as corners, joints, and the most stressed parts, are reinforced with additional portions of steel mesh. Internal and external finishes of any type can be applied. Normally, there is a first coat to cover the mesh and a second-hand coat for leveling and finishing. With plants in over 30 countries, the M2 building system expands worldwide, demonstrating the versatility and adaptability of this building system to the most diverse territories. Interlocking bricks are designed to lock themselves to other bricks without the use of mortar to form a structurally stable home. Just dry stack the bricks, pour in an inexpensive mortar, and add rebars vertically to reinforce the walls. It's a simplified brick and mortar concept, similar to stacking Legos. This system requires no plasterwork, less cement, fewer workers, and is a lot faster to build, which equates to lower costs. It is also intuitive and simple to learn for everyone. Interlocking bricks can be made from different materials, but most common is soil and cement mixture. A pressing machine is used to compress the bricks, which are then cured for a while so the cement sets and bonds with the sand, stabilizing the brick. This compacted brick also has better thermal insulation. Using the interlocking brick building system, you may save by eliminating formworks for reinforced concrete columns and beams, plastering and painting costs, and reducing workers, materials, and time. This wall can also be plastered and painted just like any other wall. Thanks for watching, and let us know your opinion down in the comments. Until next time.